Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get dice on Monopoly Go. So, in Monopoly Go, dice rolls are essential to progress through the game. Here are some ways you can get more dice rolls. The first way is time-based free dice rolls. So, free dice rolls regenerate over time. You can wait and collect them. The game provides a set number of dice rolls every hour. So be sure to log in regularly to claim them. Now another way to get dice is daily rewards. You can log in daily to collect dice from the daily reward system. The more consecutive days you log in, the better your rewards, including extra dice rolls. Now the third way to get dice rolls is Monopoly money, that is in-game currency. You can use Monopoly money earned in the game to purchase more dice rolls in the in-game shop. You can also do this by completing sticker albums. So completing sticker sets in your sticker albums can earn you additional dice rolls as rewards. Fifth way to do this is events and promotions. You can participate in in-game events and promotions that often reward extra dice rolls for completing specific tasks or objectives. Now, sixth way to do this is invite friends. You can invite friends to play Monopoly Go. Some promotions reward you with dice rolls if your friends join the game and start playing. Seventh way to do this is purchase dice rolls. If you are in a hurry to get more dice, you can buy them with real money from the in-game store through microtransactions. By using these methods, you can maximize your dice rolls and progress faster in the game. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.